This 2024 Winnebago View 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep's 4 carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, oven, slide-out, awning, TV, water heater, microwave, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Winnebago View 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.